National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jasper County in northwest Indiana, southern Lake County in northwest Indiana, northern Newton County in northwest Indiana, southwestern Porter County in northwest Indiana until 7:15 p.m. At 6:18 p.m. A severe...
Oh, it does go over there.
Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jasper County in northwest Indiana, southern Lake County in northwest Indiana, northern Newton County in northwest Indiana, southwestern Porter County in northwest Indiana until 7:15 p.m. At 6:18 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located near Ennis and moving northeast.
It goes with working with different guys. You're lucky.
Miles per hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Village, Roselawn County, Fair Oaks, Dare, Sumont Resorts, Pembroke, Forest City, DeMont, Moody, Gifford, Mount Dare, Schneider, and Wheatfield. Other locations affected: US 41 Dragway,